If you woke up on July 20th, 2024, you should probably have just gone back to sleep because your Windows work computer likely had a blue screen of death that day. Millions, if not billions, of Windows computers got instant bricked around the world thanks to an update pushed by enterprise cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike, and it was bad. Airports shut down, hospitals were unable to treat patients, banks couldn't access your money, and even Arby's drive-through window went down, forcing people to hunt stray cats in the street just for food. What's hilarious though, is that a top cybersecurity firm just messed up the global economy in a way that the evil hackers they protect you from could only dream of. In today's video, we'll take a look at the technical side of this disaster and find out how such a catastrophic mistake can even happen in the modern world. Where and when did it start? Troy Hunt, the creator of Have I Been Pwned, first brought attention to the issue on Friday, July 19th, 2024. Imagine waking up on deployment day and seeing the screen full of this shade of Dashan Sao 6 and 64E4. I don't really care if it has a name. Initially there were concerns about a potential cyber attack from a hacker, but it became clear that the problem came from a faulty update issued by CrowdStrike. This update resulted in numerous computers experiencing the blue screen of death, BSOD, sarcastically making the day International Day of BSOD. Understanding CrowdStrike and Falcon. To comprehend how this catastrophic mistake occurred, we need to delve into CrowdStrike's operations and its primary product, Falcon. CrowdStrike is a major player in the cybersecurity industry, boasting over 500 clients from the Fortune 1000 list. Their flagship product, Falcon, is an endpoint protection tool that utilizes artificial intelligence and analytics to detect threats in real time. Falcon isn't your average software. It integrates with the operating system at a low level, often using kernel mode drivers. This deep integration allows it to monitor system activities closely, collect telemetry data, and produce reports. However, this critical position in the system's architecture also means that if Falcon fails, it can potentially bring down the entire computer. The fatal update. On the night of July 18th, 2024, CrowdStrike pushed an automated software update. Unfortunately, this update contained bad code, and every computer that received it is now effectively dead. What makes this situation particularly dire is that it's not just a regular outage. Every affected computer needs to be rebooted in fail mode, and the problematic driver must be removed manually. Most employees don't have the necessary access to perform these operations, leaving IT departments overwhelmed and scrambling to address the issue. The global impact. The consequences of this update are far-reaching and severe. The London Stock Exchange was disrupted, most Indian airports went down, forcing staff to write boarding passes by hand, and countless other critical systems and services were affected. CrowdStrike was quick to point out that this wasn't a security incident or cyber attack. The fix. Easier said than done. CrowdStrike has provided a fix, but it's far from simple for the average user. The process involves detaching the operating system disk, creating a snapshot or backup of the disk, mounting a volume to a new virtual server, navigating to the Windows drivers directory, locating and deleting the file CS291 to ESIS, detaching the volume from the new virtual server, and reattaching the fixed volume to the impacted virtual server. Alternatively, as the video humorously suggests, one could go to Home Depot and buy a sledgehammer, then use it to uninstall Microsoft Windows and switch to Linux. The human cost. While the global impact is severe, we shouldn't forget the human element of this disaster. Somewhere, there's a programmer who updated this driver and is likely facing severe consequences. Not only is this person probably about to lose their job, but they also bear the weight of shutting down hospitals, transportation networks, and other critical infrastructure. However, it's essential to recognize that this situation reflects a larger systemic issue rather than individual fault. The cybersecurity paradox. This incident highlights a crucial paradox in the world of corporate cybersecurity. Public megacorporations, under immense pressure to secure their computer systems, often outsource their cybersecurity needs to companies like CrowdStrike. Instead of hiring and managing large in-house cybersecurity teams, they pay millions annually to have someone else handle it, and to have someone to blame when things go wrong. What everyone failed to realize is the inherent risk in this approach. Giving one company kernel-level access to the computers of most Fortune 500 companies creates a single point of failure. As we've seen, it only takes one misplaced character in an automatic update to potentially bring down a significant portion of the world's digital infrastructure. Lessons to learn. This incident serves as a wake-up call for the tech industry and businesses relying on third-party cybersecurity solutions. It highlights the need for more robust testing procedures for updates, especially those affecting critical systems, diversification of cybersecurity solutions to avoid single points of failure, improved fail-safe mechanisms and rollback procedures, and greater transparency and accountability in the cybersecurity industry. As we navigate the aftermath of this digital disaster, it's clear that our approach to cybersecurity needs a serious overhaul. The very systems designed to protect us have become a vulnerability in themselves. It's a stark reminder that in our interconnected digital world, the actions of a single company can have global repercussions. While CrowdStrike works to mitigate the damage and affected organizations struggle to recover, the tech community must take this opportunity to reassess and improve our cybersecurity practices. Only by learning from this catastrophe can we hope to prevent similar incidents in the future and build a more resilient digital infrastructure. As we move forward, let's remember that true security isn't just about sophisticated software or AI-driven threat detection. It's about creating systems that are robust, diverse, and capable of withstanding not just external attacks, but also the occasional, inevitable human error. The world of technology is ever evolving, and so too must our approach to securing it. Today's disaster might just be the catalyst we need for a safer, more resilient digital future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think would be the best way to make sure something like this doesn't happen again? Until next time, stay secure and stay curious.